Good morning dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the first part of the chapter 5th, The Way the World Looks of class 4 subject mathematics. And before starting the video, I request to all viewers to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I am Jay Prakash. Let's start the class. At first, let's have an overview of today's class, that what topics we will cover today. So the first topic that I have taken is Gappu's air journey. In this topic, you will know the journey of the Gappu rat and how interesting it was. And the second topic is different views of the things. In this topic, you will know the side view, top view and front view of the things. Now come to the name of the chapter. This is The Way the World Looks. It means different things have different views. Here we have our first topic, that is Gappu's air journey. Just look at these words properly. Air journey. In your EVS classes, you studied about different type of means of transport like air, then water and also land. In previous classes, class 4, 3, 2, 1, you have studied about it very well. So let's have a practice session, my dear students. Now here you see the different pictures of means of transportations, and these are belongs to air, water and also land. So you will write that the first picture, which is a helicopter, so this belongs to air, water or land. Where it is used? Can you answer? Yes, it belongs to air transport. The second one is a big ship. So can you tell me where it is used? Yes, it is used in water. So I am writing only W for water. And the third is a taxi, and it is a land transport. And another one is a bicycle. It is also a land transport. And here we have a yacht and an aeroplane. And you will write in the comment section that these two means of transport are belongs to which means air, water or land. Which transport this belongs to? Write in the comment section. Now come to the topic. Now let's have a reading of the first topic, that is Gappu's air journey. Now start it. Gappu was a brave little mouse. One day he saw children playing with a huge gas balloon. Oh, now we know that Gappu is a rat. Here you can see in this picture, Gappu rat is hanging on the balloon, and now he saw that children were playing with huge gas balloons. Now the balloon went up and touched the roof. Gappu was thrilled. Okay, thrilled means excitement. So he was also very excited to watch that. So what things was making that excited? Yes, the balloon were going upside and touching the roof. That things make the Gappu excited. You can say also thrilled. He got an idea. Next day, when the children went to school, Gappu climbed up the string of the balloon. He could see the blades of the fan from the above. Now Gappu the rat had an idea to climb up on the string of the balloon. Okay, and now he is going to the upside, means on the roof side, and from here he can easily look the blades of the fan, and he found that it is very dirty. And now he is thinking something. Let's read it. Oh, there is so much dirt on these blades. From below they look so clean. Yes, in your home you also look your fan from downside, so it looks very clean, but from the upside it may be dirt. Okay, so clean it, because cleanliness is the way of healthy body. A question is here. Draw how the fan looks from below. So you have to draw a picture for it, and let me show you a picture. So this is the view of the fan that looks from the down side. You can also draw this for your practice. Now the next is Gappu looked down. Okay, and he could see the bed, the chair, one table with books on it, and the other table with a bottle, a jug, fruits, etc. So let's see where is the Gappu. Okay, so now the Gappu is on the upside. So from the upside he is looking these all things you can see on your screen, and how the views of the table, the bed, the chair, and also some jugs and also mugs, how the views are here you can see easily. And here the Gappu rat is saying something, that stupid Chinky is looking for cheese, can't even see it, is kept on the top of the jug. So let's see where is Chinky rat. Oh, here is the Chinky you can see, and the Chinky is looking for the cheese, but she is unable to see the cheese. Now in the next page, here is once more question. Can you think why Gappu could see the cheese on the jug but Chinky could not? Yes, we can easily say that because the Gappu was on the upside and Chinky was just downside of that jug. For that Chinky could not see that. Now Gappu rat is saying something also. When I ran around in my house, it looked so big, but from here it looks so small. How is that? The Gappu rat is saying that when he is on the land and he see that the whole room, the whole house is very big, but from the upside it is very small. Now just then a strong wind pushed the balloon out of the room. So the story is continue. Now the Gappu rat is not in the house, he is just outside of the house because a strong wind pushed the balloon. Now the balloon flew up and Gappu started going up in the sky. As he looked down, he could see his house. Okay, now as he went higher, he could see things around his house, the park, the Gurudwara, the railway line, a sweet shop, and Suhasini's house with the big water tank on its roof. So here are many places that he is looking from outside of the house. Now here was a word Gurudwara. Can you tell me who which type of means who worship here? Yes, the Sikh worship in Gurudwaras. So I have a picture for it that different religious people like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai have different places for their worship. So here you can see a collage of religious places. The first one is a temple and Hindu worship here. The second is, yes, it is a Gurudwara and Sikh worship here. The third is a mosque, the Muslims worship here, and the last is a church and the Christians worship here. Means generally there are four religions in our India: Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, and they have different places to worship. So now can you tell me the name of this picture? Can you? Let me help you. The first picture is the temple of Odisha. This is Konark Sun Temple, and the second is Golden Temple, which is in Amritsar. In class 4 you have studied about it very well. And the third is Jama Masjid, and the fourth one is in Mumbai, and I will not tell its name. You will tell me its name right in the comment section. I will definitely check it, but I am giving you a clue that this church is in the Mumbai. Okay, now come to the chapter. Here Gappu is saying something. Who is that on the railway track? Is that fat cat Monty? Ha ha ha. From here it looks like a big white mouse. So let's try to find the fat cat Monty. Okay, and for that first we have to check the railway track. So here is the railway track, and where is the fat cat, Monty? We are unable to see the fat cat. Okay, let's try to find her in the next picture. Now this must be Gurudwara where Amarjit goes every day to worship. Yes, before in previous page I told you that which type of people worship here. Now I did not know there is a sweet shop here. Yummy. So here is the sweet shop. Can you see this? Yes. Now dear students, come to the next page, page number 54. Now once again one more question is here. Imagine how your classroom looks from the above. Try to draw it and mark the benches, blackboard, doors and windows. So this is your activity, my dear students. You will do it in your rough copy. Now the next is the balloon went up and up. Gappu kept wondering how big the world is. Now he could see lots of houses, streets, roads and buses. Yes, the world is so big. Okay, now Gappu is realizing that. So wow, is that the train? Looking like a long box here. So here you can see the train and it is just looking like a long box. Yes, in the picture. Now these cars and buses look so small from here, just like toys, and people looks like ants. Such a interesting. Now suddenly what happened there? There was a loud sound. Phut. It means the balloon was burst. The balloon burst and started falling down, and everything started looking bigger and bigger. Thup means the fallen sound. This is Gappu fell on the railway track. Oh, on the railway track, who was there? Yes, the fat cat, Monty. Here you can see. He ran to save himself from the cruel Monty, who ran after Gappu and the other rats on the railway tracks. So Gappu and other rats are trying to save themselves. Why? Because there was the cat fat Monty. Now, when Gappu saw the railway track from above, it looks like this. Okay. Now, but when he fell on the track, the railway line looked like this. Means from here, the railway track is wide, but when he looked far to the railway track, it is looking very narrow. Can you tell me how it is looking? Why this happened? Yes, actually, as you know that the railway track is parallel, means it has its end point, means the corners you can see. Okay, the tracks are parallel to each other. Parallel means they have proper distance. Okay, as they are long, they have proper distance. But when you will stand here, okay, and you will look from this way, so the railway track will look very narrow. Okay, because of the parallel tracks. Okay, and also the track is very far from our eyes. For that it is looking narrow. It is just a common thing that if the thing is far from us, so that will look very small. Now look at these pictures and discuss why things look wide and big at this end but narrow and small at the other end. Yes, we discussed before some time. Now match two views of the same pose. So which pose is this? Yeah, it is a yoga pose. Do you do yoga at your home in this lockdown? Do it, my dear friend. It is good for your health. Now this is a top view of a girl in yoga pose. Yes, only one of the photos below is the correct match of the same yoga pose and mark it. So here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 different views of the yoga position, and we have to match the same pose from this picture. So you can see that the first one is same to the fourth. Okay, yes, in this way you found the answer. Now that's all for today's class, my dear students. See you in the next video. Till then, stay at home, be healthy, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.